Good afternoon, everybody. We are here for our final competition of the FME Science Vocabulary Challenge. We have our 3 contestants from 5th grade that are ready to join the challenge. We are going to be playing our Jeopardy game. We're going to see which one takes it today. Let's introduce our 3 contestants. So starting on the left, we have Juliet Urbina from Ms. Gray's class.
Yay!
We have Luis Valencia from Ms. Hernandez's class. And we have Lluvia Soto from Ms. Parada's class. All right, so the way it works is they're going to choose different question values. If they get it correct, they get the point value. If they get it incorrect, they lose the points. So they have buzzers. Let's see who takes it. All right, since Lluvia was our top contestant from last round, she's going to go ahead and draw first. So Lluvia, select a category and a point value.
Physical properties of matter 300.
Okay, physical properties of matter 300. As soon as I click it, the question's going to come up. I'm going to go ahead and start reading it, but if you know the answer, you can buzz in early. You guys are going to have top.
Not till after the question.
Oh, not top, just kidding. Let me finish reading it first, okay? And then we can go ahead and buzz. Ready? What is the word that describes the ability of a substance to dissolve in another substance, such as sugar dissolving in water? I think that was Lluvia.
Solubility.
Space bar.
What is solubility? Congratulations. So that is 300 points for you. Oh, that is so cool. Sorry. Squirrel.
What's that? Okay, how does it go back?
Escape?
Continue where it says escape. Yeah.
Nope, that's not escape. There we go. So now you see that question is gone. The first question, Lluvia, but it's okay, guys. It's anybody's game. There's plenty of questions. Lluvia, go ahead and choose again.
Investigating forms of energy 400.
Investigating forms of energy for 400. Question.
There you go.
The image below represents. I heard Juliet first.
Refraction.
Refraction. Is she correct?
Better be.
What is refraction? Good job, Juliet. 400 points for Juliet. I need my audience to be more excited. Wait, that was a little too excited. All right, Juliet, since you got the last question, go ahead and choose our next one.
Investigation Earth's change 300.
Investigating Earth's changes for 300. And your question there. The word that describes the movement of weather material by wind, water, or ice. Luis. No, it's Luis.
Erosion.
Erosion. Is he correct?
Is he?
He is correct! So in Jeopardy, you got only not only be right, you got to be quick. We got all 3 contestants on the board. Luis, since you got the last one, breathe, buddy. You're good. You're good. Go ahead and choose our next category.
Investigating forms of energy 300.
Investigating forms of energy 300. Ready? The type of energy that is produced by vibration. That was Lluvia.
Sound energy.
I don't know the answer to that one, so I'm hoping it is. It is sound energy. All right, Lluvia, go ahead and choose again.
Investigating forms of energy 500.
500-point question. We got our first big one up on the board. Definition for an open circuit. Give me the definition for an open circuit. 5 seconds. Okay, we got you guys gonna give us a chance.
The definition of an open circuit is an incomplete circuit so it won't go through fully.
Let me see my judges. Judges, do we accept that?
It's too generic.
Generic.
Let's take a look against our definition. It's the path through which an electric current cannot flow. Let me ask my judges, 3 judges right
Didn't
there.
mention electricity at all.
Yeah.
Alright, unfortunately you didn't mention electricity. Sorry, you get good try. We're gonna go ahead and knock off those 5. But remember, it's anybody's game. It's a quick round like that. Miss Parada, don't text me. Alright, what are we doing?
Hilarious.
I got nervous.
Escape.
No, I got nervous. Alright, who was our last person that asked the last one? I think it was Lluvia. Go ahead and choose again. Yeah, go ahead and choose again.
Physical properties of matter 500.
Physical properties of matter 5.
I'm willing to go into the negatives.
Wow. Or you're gonna get 500 extra. Let's see. Give the definition of an insulator. Okay, Luis.
A plastic spoon. Wait, no, not that. No, that's an example. The definition of an insulator that does not let an electrical current flow.
Judges.
What do you say?
Does not let an electric current flow is his answer. That's a pretty good definition.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
I like that definition. Let's compare it to the official definition. I think it's pretty close. What is a substance or object that does not allow energy to flow easily? So judges, are we good with that one?
Yes.
Okay, judges went ahead and voted yes, so we're gonna go ahead. Luis takes the lead. All right, Luis, let's go ahead and go back to the main screen. And go ahead and choose again.
Physical properties of matter 400.
Physical properties of matter for 400. I almost fell off the chair. Floating or sinking when compared to water.
That was Juliet first.
Lluvia? Okay, Lluvia.
Relative density.
Relative density. Relative density. Lluvia jumps back on the board. Let's take a quick recap. We have Luis in the lead with 800. Lluvia in second place with 500. Juliet in third place with 400. There's still plenty of questions, so it's still anybody's game. All right, Luis. No, Lluvia. Sorry, that's why it's fired from Jeopardy.
Structures and behaviors of organisms 300.
All right, right in the middle. Structured behaviors of organisms. Our question is the word that describes a group of living organisms consisting of similar individuals capable of producing offspring. I think that was Luis, right? Luis?
What is it called again?
You tell me, I don't know.
It's a group of living organisms, I know that,
Okay,
but
5 seconds.
organisms? I don't know.
Incorrect. Anybody want to buzz in for that one?
Species.
Species?
I don't know it.
What is species? Let me see your buzzer real quick. It's not working.
Yeah, that
It
was
better be working. Or else
Oh, I think you're just slamming it a little too hard. Just give it a lighter tap. I know you get
Okay.
excited, but just give it a little bit of a lighter tap.
yeah, my
All
hands
right.
hurt.
Let's give her points for that one.
And then
And then we gotta, sorry Luis, we gotta take off points for that one. So now we just switch roles. We have Lluvia in the lead, Luis in second, Juliet in third. Let's go ahead and back to Lluvia.
Investigating forms of energy 200.
200 points. The question is a word that describes the bouncing back of light rays from a surface. I heard over here first.
Juliet.
Reflection.
Reflection, is she correct? Reflection. That takes Juliet into second place. Let's go ahead and have Juliet choose.
Physical properties of matter 200.
Physical properties matter for 200. What is the word that describes an attracting or repelling force that causes a magnetic material to move? That was too close. Juliet? Okay, we heard Juliet over there.
Magnetism.
Magnetism.
And we're tied.
Magnetism is correct. Tied for first. Luis, you're not out of it. You're still in it. You're still in it. Don't worry. All right, go ahead, Juliet.
Investigating Earth's change 200.
All right, Earth changes 200. The word which describes the process by which exposed rock is broken down by rain, frost, wind, or other elements of weather. I think I heard Luis. I heard Luis first. Luis?
Weathering.
Weathering. Weathering. 100 points separates first from our tie for first from second. Just like that, Luis is in the game. Luis, go ahead and choose.
Investigating Earth changes. 400.
400. Ooh, somebody's gonna jump in the lead with this question. The image below represents
Lluvia.
Fossil fuels.
fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. 1,200 points. All right. Let's go ahead and get back to our main screen. Score recap. We have Lluvia in the lead with 1,200. Juliet in second place with 800. And Luis in third with 700. Go ahead, Lluvia.
Well, I'm doing my math.
We got to go through the whole board anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Structures and behaviors of organisms, 200.
200. Here we go. A word that describes moving from one place to another in search of food, water, or different temperatures.
Luis.
Migration.
I saw Luis playing first.
You saw Luis? Okay. Here we're Luis.
Migration.
Migration. Is he correct? He is correct. Contestants, one suggestion I'm going to have is don't lift your hands too much. Just kind of do a little quick buzz. I think that's what's taking so long is like you're going to try to answer, but you're lifting your hands too much, so it's taking more time. Just kind of keep your hand close to the buzzer so that way you can buzz in quickly.
Can we do a real fast one?
Yeah, try it real quick. Ready? Just so it's where your hands are right there. Go ahead. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, remember not so hard. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Buzz. See, just like that. All right. Ready? Did I give the points?
Yes.
Yes.
I did.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is.
Because I'm not even gonna get text messages. All right, go ahead, Luis.
Investigating Earth changes. 500.
Before we do that, let's get a mystery man for paying attention because I sure am not paying attention. I'm sorry. I didn't hear what you said. Sorry, Luis. What'd you say?
Investigating Earth changes. 500.
500. It's gonna be a harder question, so let's try it. The definition for deposition. I heard Luis first. Is it Luis? Luis.
The dropping off of weathered rocks in a certain place.
Do we like that definition? Say it again. Repeat it.
The
dropping off of rocks
dropping off of small rocks
in a certain place. Is that what you said?
in a certain place.
Judges, I don't really.
Can we see the definition?
No, because if I show them, they're not gonna have a chance. I don't think I like that definition. I'm gonna have to vote no. Judges, are we gonna vote no? All right, buzz in one of you two. Give us a better definition, you guys.
Weathered and eroded material being moved and dropped by ice, gravity, wind, or water, or other kinds of weather.
All right, let's
Yep.
take a look at it. What is the process by which weathered by wind, water, red, and rose? Yeah, that's close enough.
Yeah.
So sorry, Luis, if you were a little bit incomplete in your definition, we're gonna have to take those points away. And then Lluvia, we're gonna add those points. Don't worry, Luis, we still got a couple 500 plus the last final Jeopardy is worth 1,000, so you're still in it, okay? All right. Lluvia, go ahead.
Investigating ecosystem interaction, 300.
300, right in the middle to start off this category. Ooh, I broke it. The word that describes a unit consisting of living organisms and the environment that they live in.
Habitat.
Habitat. Oh, I should have said it. I know that wasn't it. Sorry, Luis. Sorry, guys, I ruined that chance for that one, but we're going to have to take those points from Luis. It is an ecosystem. Sorry, guys, I ruined that chance, but it's okay. There's other questions on the board. Let's go back to Lluvia.
Structures and behaviors of organisms, 100.
100 points. Here we go. A word that describes a living organism that is made when a plant or animal reproduces. I heard, what did you hear, man?
Juliet.
Juliet, okay, Juliet. I thought I heard Juliet a little bit faster.
Offspring?
Offspring?
Yep.
Offspring is correct. All right, Juliet, go ahead and choose our next question.
Investigation or change 100.
100 points. Here we go. The question is, the word that describes rocks that form when sediments are compacted and cemented together. I heard Luis. Luis? Luis.
Sedimentary? Or sedimented?
Yeah, we're good with that one? Yeah, we're good with that one. Okay. Sedimentary. Oh, it's okay. All right. Go ahead, Luis.
Structures and behaviors of organisms. 400.
400-point question coming up. The image below shows a dog jumping through a hoop. This is an example of
Learned behavior?
Yes.
I don't even see a picture, but you still got it on the picture. All right. Good job. All right, you guys. We still got a couple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions, guys. It's no way it's anybody's game. Lots of high point values still.
Investigating ecosystem interactions 100.
100 points. Here we go. The word which describes an organism that.
Sorry.
All right, let's try it again. Okay. The word which describes an organism that eats other organisms, plants, and or animals for food. I still heard Luis first. Luis, go ahead.
Consumers.
Consumers. Consumers is correct. All right, go ahead, Luis.
Investigating ecosystems interaction 200.
200 points. Here's your question. The word that describes an organism that gets energy by feeding on dead materials and waste.
Juliet.
Juliet.
Decomposer?
Decomposers, that is correct. All right, go ahead, Juliet.
Investigating ecosystem interactions 400.
400-point question. We got a big one coming. The picture below represents which type of organism? I heard you. Luis. 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 Go for it, Luis.
Oh.
Like a plant or something?
It is a plant, but we're talking about the type of organism. Anyone buzz in?
Producer.
Producer. Sorry, Luis, we're gonna have to drop you down, and you guys will put it. There you go. Okay. All right. Go ahead, Lluvia.
Physical properties of matter.
For 100, what is the word that describes the amount of matter in something? I heard Juliet first.
Mass?
Mass is correct. All right. 3 questions left, Juliet. Which one do you choose?
Investigating forms of energy.
Forms of energy for 100. The ability to do work. I heard Luis first.
Mechanical? No,
Yeah.
I mean energy.
The ability to do work. Mechanical energy.
What did you say?
Mechanical energy.
I mean energy. Just energy.
Judges, I'm gonna go over to the judges' ruling. You did say mechanical first, so we're gonna have to take those off. Sorry, Luis. And then since we said the answer, sorry guys, I kind of blurred that one out. All right. It's okay, Luis. Don't give up. We still got a couple, plus the last question's worth big. All right. Juliet, I think you were the last one.
Structures and behaviors of organisms.
All right. 500-point question coming up. The definition for inherited traits.
Specific traits that are passed down from parent to offspring.
Oh, okay. Characteristics or attributes of an organism that are passed down from parents to offspring. All right, our final question, I'm gonna go ahead and display it for round one. Investigating ecosystem interactions. Our question is definition of photosynthesis. That was Luis.
The cycle of a producer getting like
I have to give you 5 seconds.
making like I don't
Sorry.
making something to watch.
Something. I'm going to cut you off on that one. Sorry, Luis. Anybody want to buzz in? Lluvia?
The process in which a producer makes its own food.
All right, I am going to go ahead and accept that answer. The process by which producers use the energy and sunlight to create their own food. All right. So that's the end of regular Jeopardy. We're going to go ahead and switch to Final Jeopardy real quick. I'm going to move out of the way so that Mr. Jimenez can set that one up. While we're doing that, let's go ahead and have a commercial plug in here.
Please.
Ms. Gray's, where am I? I'm right here. Ms. Gray's class, you guys didn't know it, but you guys, you knew you won the attendance contest. You knew you're getting a pizza party. You don't know when your pizza party is. Your pizza party is today. So about 2 o'clock-ish, depending on when we get the pizzas, Ms. Gray's class, you guys are celebrating winning the FME March Madness Attendance Challenge. We went ahead and threw in a couple of extra little goodies for you guys because they had 100% attendance for the entire competition. So we went ahead and threw in some extra goodies for that. All right, and just a reminder, guys, that for 3rd, 4th, and 5th, we do have our STAR test coming up. We have 1 week left. We have 6 more school days before STAR. So I need all 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. Make sure you are here. Unless you're super, super sick, be here every day. Your teachers have great lessons going for you. They want to make sure you're as prepared for the STAR as possible. So be here. We want everybody here.
Don't forget to mention the rest.
The what?
Don't forget to mention the rest. Don't let them be tired. They're going to be zoning out in class.
Lluvia says if you don't sleep, she's going to come to your house and make you
I
go to
did
sleep
not
at
say
8 o'clock.
Why are you lying, bro? Why are you lying?
All right. Did somebody write down the other points?
Do you have all the other points?
Okay, you wrote
What?
down the other
The
points?
Oh, the points, yes. I
Okay.
have 3,500 for Lluvia.
How much?
3,500.
Oh, it's not going to let you. It's only going to let you put that
Oh.
1,000.
Okay.
We'll just have to manually do this one.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, now for Final Jeopardy. Final Jeopardy is worth 1,000 points if you get it correct, or you lose 1,000 points if you get it incorrect. So we're gonna do something. We're gonna give everybody. You don't have to buzz in on this one. Everybody's gonna have a chance to answer it. Don't yell your answer out. I'm gonna come and get your answers separately, and we'll see who got the answer correct. So everybody has a chance to get this question correct. Don't yell it out. Don't buzz in. Okay, ready?
So category is flow of energy in
An organism.
All right.
1,000 points.
So I'm gonna give you a chance. I'm gonna let you read it on your own. Think about the answer, and then we'll go ahead and come back. Don't say anything. Got it? All right, here's your question for you. Audience, make sure you guys look at the answer. Shout out the answers from your classrooms if you know it. All right, here is your question. It is used as a representation of overlapping food chains in an ecosystem. Includes the flow of energy from the sun through producers to consumers and decomposers through multiple pathways. Don't shout out an answer, don't buzz. Think about it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna have you guys, we're gonna have you write it down. So kind of, we're gonna give you a piece of paper, and we're gonna give you a piece of paper and a pencil. You guys are gonna write your answer down. Don't let the other one see it. Cover your papers. And when you're done, go ahead and turn it upside down. Don't look at other papers. Cover up your answer and then turn it upside down once you're ready. All right, we got 1 contestant ready, 2 contestants ready. All 3 are ready. All right, at the count of 3, I want you guys to show your answers to the camera. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. So let's go ahead and zoom in on the answers. We're going to point it out right here. We have an answer of food web. Here we have food web. Here we have food chain. So let's go ahead and take a look at the answer. School round's phone on.
Didn't output. It should have.
Sure it is. What is a food web? So Lluvia got it correct. Luis got it correct. Julia, I'm sorry, you got it incorrect. So Ms. Klemp, do you have my final totals?
Lluvia's final total is 4,500.
All right, so we have 4,500 points for Ms. Lluvia.
Louise is 300.
Luis, we have 300.
And Juliet is 200.
And Juliet is 200. So our third place winner in our first annual FME Science Vocabulary, our third place winner is Miss Juliet. We do have a prize for her. We have a gift. Where are you? We have a gift card for making it this far. Congratulations, Juliet. Where is it? Juliet, sorry. Our second place winner goes to Luis from Ms. Hernandez's class. We do have a gift card for him as well. Our first place winner is Lluvia Soto from Ms. Parada's class. I hear them cheering all the way from over here.
It better be.
Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. So she earns a MetaQuest 2. I don't even know what this is. Like the Oculus?
It's on the other camera, Mr.
Oh. She gets an Oculus.
Oh my god.
Congratulations to all three of our top contestants. Congratulations, Lluvia. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you guys go to bed next week every day at 8 o'clock so that you're prepped for it. All right. Go ahead and have a good day. Everybody wave at them. Wave at the camera. Bye.